now our storm team coverage continues in Plum Island.
And that's where Mary Saladna is live right now. Mayor, serious concerns there tonight?
Yeah, you know, serious concern, but even more concern for tomorrow, what that might bring, Ed and Heather. Take a look behind me. This is the surf right now. This is not high tide. High tide will not come until 4 a.m. this morning. And even then, that's not the one they're most worried about. These waves will probably wash away most of the sand berm on the beach at the 4 a.m. high tide. But it's really what happens from noon on tomorrow. Even though it's low tide initially, the waves are supposed to, you know, sort of crest at 18 to 21 feet high. The energy behind those waves will really pound this surf line. We have homes down along here that are not on pilings. They're on traditional foundations. The rocks in front of them are their only real barrier, and we'll see how they hold up tomorrow when we get to about high tide tomorrow at 5 p.m. So we've got a long 24 hours ahead of us. Right now, things are pretty easy, pretty calm compared to what we've seen up here. How will this compare to that storm in 2013 when we lost a couple of homes? They think it'll be probably as bad, if not worse. The difference is this time they're much more prepared. They do have rock barriers that they've spent a lot of time and effort and money putting up to protect the homes. We'll see if they hold. We're live on Plum Island. Back to you.